Tell me everything and everything you've given me. I always keep it inside. You're the driving force in my life. There isn't anything or anyone that I can be, and it just wouldn't feel right if I didn't have you by my side. You were there for me to love and care for me when skies were gray. Whenever I was down, you were always there to comfort me. And no one else can be what you have been to me. You'll always be, you will always be the girl in my life for all times. Mama, Mama, you know I love you. To my soul. You're always there for me, have always been around for me. Even when I was bad, you showed me right from my wrong. Yes, you did. And you took up for me when everyone was doubting me. You always did understand. You always move on along. There's so many times looking back when I was so afraid, and then you come to me and say to me, I can face anything, and no one else can do what you have done for me. You will always be, to my loving you is like food to my soul.
Guys, let's give a big round of applause to Miss JC Belmonte, and she's also celebrating her birthday today.
That's right. Happy birthday, JC. And
Wow.
now,
Ganda ng kanta, no?